So nice out right now. So I did something, changing it up a little bit. This is kind of like it has been in the plans for a while, and part of the reason why I got rid of the Mustang, if you haven't seen that. But if you're new, welcome, check it out. I do stuff with the two-door Tahoe. As you know, the two-door Tahoe out here just looking mad tough. But today, a new addition to the channel that I'm gonna put on the channel a lot to kind of coincide with everything. Man, I'm looking at it right now. I mean, every time I look at it, I'm just like, it is too damn big. But here we go. 2021 Ram 3500 dually. Mind you, I'm recording this with the phone level to my nose. And I got the 8-foot bed. I'll go do a whole spill down of everything else that's on it, but pretty much this will be also an additional work truck. So I'll be using this to tow campers, fifth wheels, you know, little things like that. You know, I say little things, but this is quite a massive, this is a yacht, dude. This is a freaking yacht. And it is a lot of truck. Going from the two-door to this. Whoo! It is a lot. I mean, I can't say again how just massive this thing is. Like, for one, okay, yeah, you know, I saw a few 2500s in person, but I don't know what it is. It's, well, for one thing, compared to a few of my buddies that got the 6-foot bed, the 8-foot bed makes a world of a difference, and just the sheer size of everything. And I got really lucky with this one, because we got fifth wheel, gooseneck ready, all the plugs and everything. We even have LED bed lighting. Go ahead, flip the switch real quick. And everything that I'm gonna need to make it work and run. The only thing about it, it does not have the high output from Cummins. And as of right now, right now has a 6.8 RFE, whatever transmission you want to say that is. But this is it. This is also a tradesman. Like I said, it's just going to be a work truck. And this is how everything is. Don't mind the fingerprints. Actually, the display is actually really nice. That's not a bottle of Jack Daniels. That's syrup. All right. Everything in here is pretty roomy. Go ahead, turn it on. Turn it on for the people. You know what I'm saying? Turn it on for the people.
19 when John and Donna.
Turn that off. It's real quiet. Real quiet. And look right here. This actually isn't bad. This is probably the way everything is set up right here. It's I didn't even know I could do that. I just learned something. Look at that. I can go here, or I can angle down and look at it. Dang, I didn't even know. That's pretty dope. Manual transfer case. It is 4x4, and you know, just in case I need it. And honestly, like, it drives, dude, it drives actually super easy. The only thing you have to be aware of is that you do have an 8-foot bed. Other than that, like, I dig it. I'm not like over here trying to fall in love with it. But 90 to 99% of the trucks that are being used to haul these campers, RVs, whatever you want to call them, are Rams. when I was actually up in Indiana for work a while ago. And when I saw it in person, what I saw on the highway, how many of them are actually out there, how many Rams compared to all the other ones, it's a no-brainer. And then also for this one being that for the price I was able to get it at, I was able to get this 3500 dually, everything already right here equipped with everything ready to go, for I don't know, a few grand more than what a 2500 tradesman would go for. Now there's a few things I don't have, you know, I don't have LED tail lights, whatever. I'm not tripping on that. But like I said, it's gonna suit me for need it. I'm gonna need it to do, hey yo, sponsor me. Super freaking awesome. I mean, it also comes with these auxiliary switches, so I got 5 additional, you know, things I can do there. Engine brake, tow haul, brake control, and it's freaking dope. I dig it. We put maybe 400 or 500 miles on it or so already, and it comes with a 50-gallon tank. Not all 3500s are gonna come with a 50-gallon tank. Some do. You gotta look at the window sticker. And I got really lucky because there was actually a few people that were looking to buy this thing when I was gonna buy it, and I just picked this up yesterday. So by the time you guys are seeing this, I've already had the thing about maybe 3 days already. So it is my first. The Mustang was new. I got that off the lot. This I got new. There was no miles on it when I got it. Well, there's like 80, whatever. And it is my first new pickup. It is my first new diesel. I've never owned a diesel before. And it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna be out here actually putting something like this to some heavy work. Now, with me doing stuff like this, yeah, you're gonna see a little bit more of the Ram, you're gonna see more of the Tahoe, and also it's gonna enable me to flow and keep things hustling and going so I can keep cool content up, and I can turn the Tahoe into a race car. So it's all about the hustle, it's all about the grind. If you made it this far, I don't give a shit what anyone says about me. I don't give a shit about what the old guy I used to work with, any of them, they come up to me, oh, this and that, I've been doing this 40 years, this and that. I'm taking a risk. I am risking it for the damn biscuit. If you're my homies and you're my homies watching it, Diego, Greg's the one that actually put me onto this, Mr. Hostile. All my buddies that are out here trying to do something, we're risking it for the biscuit. And if you don't want to risk it for the biscuit, have fun being broke forever. And so what if you're not broke? Say you're getting good money, have fun being miserable forever, because this enables, you know, income, this and that, but free time. No time is free. You got to utilize everything you want to do, but it's gonna give me the time and availability and opportunity to do what I want to do. I don't want to be at the whim of some other manager telling me, hey, I can't have you with PTO, hey, I can't have you gone this week, hey, I can't have you do this. Go fuck yourself. I don't care. I'm gonna do what I want to do. This is strictly for hustling and getting up there and going, moving anything that's gonna require moving and put some change in my pocket. And also at the same time, like I said, I like helping people. I got a truck now, so if you're one of my homies, you know, if a few of my homies go over to go to the gym, or someone else is gonna need some help, or a neighbor that needs some help, I got a truck. I can help. I mean, and even if I'm moving something that I'm not experienced in moving, it'll give me the experience at the same time doing it. So I'm not doing it for free. I'm gaining experience while I'm doing it. But that's a little bit about that. I'll do a whole video, a big kind of showdown on everything on the Ram. But just look, I'm here panning. We're at a 3/4 view, and it's like, it's freaking massive. And another cool thing that it came with the roof lights, as you can see. So yeah, we're out here with the Ram. More videos come later. Freaking, so far it's been a beast of a truck, and be on the lookout for more of these videos. Subscribe if you want to see some more stuff, inspirational shit, I guess, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see you guys later.